With the explosion of large language models, building intelligent apps feels easier than ever, right? But let's be real. Using an LLM alone is like hiring a genius who immediately forgets anything you say, can't browse your files, and doesn't know how to use Google. If you want to build real-world apps, you need more than a clever text generator. You need memory, data access, and ways to run actions. That's where Langchain comes in. So, what is Langchain? It's an open-source framework, in Python and JavaScript, that transforms LLMs into reasoning systems. Not just talking, but actually interacting with tools, pulling in external data, and remembering context. Out of the box, LLMs are like smart assistants. They answer questions, summarize stuff, write blog posts, but they don't remember your last conversation. They can't search your files, they can't call APIs or pull database info. Langchain fixes all that. Here's what makes Langchain tick. First, there's the LLM itself. GPT, Claude, Llama, whatever you want. Langchain lets you plug in your favorite. Next, prompts and prompt templates. Getting good output from an LLM is all about how you ask. Langchain gives you tools to create dynamic, reusable prompts for every use case. Then, chains. Instead of handling each task separately, you can chain steps together, like summarize a document, then answer questions about it, all in one workflow. Memory is huge. If you're building a chatbot, your app needs to remember. Langchain offers buffer memory for chat logs, token-limited memory to trim old stuff, and summarized memory to keep things efficient. Document loaders bring your PDFs, Word docs, or web pages into your app, so the LLM can actually work with your data. Retrievers and vector stores help you search giant piles of documents fast. Langchain integrates with vector databases, Chroma, Face, Pinecone, so you can find relevant info and answer questions accurately. Tools let your LLM call web searches, calculators, even custom APIs. Suddenly your model isn't just smart, it's proactive. Agents are the next level. They let LLMs make decisions on the fly, picking the right tool or workflow to solve complex multi-step tasks. And finally, callbacks and tracing. You can log, debug, and monitor every step so your app is production ready. So if you want to build next-gen apps with LLMs, don't just use the model. Supercharge it with Langchain.